And she goes, Sunday night, all the doctors are closed, so we called an ambulance. I was like, why the fuck did you call an ambulance? Oh my God, this is embarrassing. She's like, they're already here. And 6 firemen came into the room. Big, brawny fucking dudes. When you call paramedics, fire department comes as well. So they're looking at me because I'm sitting in the chair with my arms up, and like some of them were young, 4 of them were young, and they looked at me like, why is Silent Bob celebrating a fucking touchdown, you know, and shit. And like all of a sudden the medics came in, and there was a guy and a girl, and the guy puts a cuff on me. He goes, how you doing, man? I was like, good. I just can't really catch my breath. And he goes, well, we're gonna look at you right now. We put this cuff on you. You ever had this done? I said, oh yeah, I know how to do this. And then the girl had like looked like a fishing tackle box, had a bunch of leads, wires coming out of it and shit. She put that down. It's a heart monitor thing, you know, they get your fucking blood pressure, all that shit on one arm, and then the other thing they put on your chest to monitor what's going on inside. So she's like, I could put these wires on you. I said, okay. And I'm sitting in the chair, and this is 40 pounds ago. And sitting is no good angle for a fucking fat guy to begin with and shit like that. So she just yanks my fucking hockey shirt and my undershirt up, and every titty I have falls out of my fucking shirt in front of these people. And there's a room full of people, and I'm like, holy fucking shit. And I